Did man really walk on the moon, or was it all an elaborate hoax? This question has sparked endless debates since Neil Armstrong's historic giant leap for mankind in 1969. The Apollo moon landing is one of humanity's most significant accomplishments, marking a new chapter in our relationship with the cosmos. Yet for some, the moon landing is shrouded in controversy and doubt. The moon landing was an event of monumental proportions that pushed the boundaries of human potential and technological prowess. It was broadcasted live to an estimated 600 million people, making it one of the most watched events in television history. The images of astronauts bouncing around in low gravity, the iconic footprint on the lunar surface, and the planting of the American flag have become deeply ingrained in our collective memory. Yet, despite the overwhelming evidence and testimonies from thousands of scientists and engineers involved, a subset of skeptics question the authenticity of the moon landing. They propose that it was merely an elaborate hoax, a product of Cold War propaganda designed to establish American supremacy in space. From waving flags in a vacuum to the absence of stars in photos, these conspiracy theories are as fascinating as they are persistent. But how much truth is there in these claims, and what does science have to say about them? In this video, we'll take a closer look at these theories, separating fact from fiction with scientific evidence. We'll explore the most common misconceptions surrounding the moon landing and provide clear, definitive answers. We'll also delve into the lesser-known facts and challenges of the Apollo missions, highlighting the technological advancements and human stories behind this monumental achievement. We'll not only explore the moon landing's enduring legacy, but also its inspiration for future space exploration. This journey will take us beyond the realm of conspiracy theories and into the heart of human ingenuity, perseverance, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. So let's delve into the most popular conspiracy theories and unravel the truth. One of the most popular claims is about the waving flag in a vacuum. But is there any merit to this? Well, let's dive into the science. The flag appears to flutter in the moon's non-existent atmosphere, causing some to claim this is evidence of a studio set. However, the reality is far from this. The flag used during the Apollo missions was specially designed with a horizontal rod to keep it extended. When astronauts were planting it, they twisted and turned it, causing the flag to ripple. These ripples were then frozen in the vacuum of space, giving the illusion of a waving flag. Now let's move on to another widely circulated theory, the absence of stars in the moon landing photographs. Critics argue that this is because NASA couldn't accurately recreate the starry sky on a studio set. Here's the catch. It's all about exposure settings. The lunar surface is brightly lit by the sun, and to capture this, the camera settings were adjusted to reduce the exposure. This means brighter objects like the lunar surface and astronauts could be clearly seen, but the relatively dim stars got washed out. Then there's the theory about identical backgrounds in different photos, suggesting a painted backdrop. However, this theory overlooks one key fact. The moon's horizon is much closer to the observer than on Earth due to its smaller size. So even if astronauts moved a few meters, the background would appear almost identical. Finally, the so-called C rock, a stone with what appears to be the letter C on it, supposedly a prop marker. In reality, it's nothing more than a photographic anomaly, a stray hair or thread that found its way into the image during the photo development process. As we can see, these theories don't hold up under scientific scrutiny. The moon landing was a monumental achievement of human ingenuity and courage, not a grand deception. So the next time someone brings up these conspiracy theories, you'll be armed with the facts to debunk them. Stay curious, space enthusiasts. Beyond the conspiracy theories, there are lesser-known facts and challenges faced by the Apollo missions. Now let's uncover the untold tales behind the moon landing. The Apollo missions were monumental, not just for the sheer audacity of the goal, but also for the technological advancements required to achieve it. Picture this. In the late 60s, the computer technology was in its infancy. The Apollo Guidance Computer, or the AGC, was one of the marvels of that era. It had a whopping 64 kilobytes of memory and operated at a speed of a staggering 0.043 megahertz. To put that in perspective, your smartphone today is millions of times more powerful than the computer that landed man on the moon. But it wasn't just about the technology. There were human stories, the sacrifices, and the relentless pursuit of the unknown that propelled these missions forward. The astronauts trained tirelessly, pushing their bodies to the limits. They underwent rigorous physical and psychological training, preparing for every possible scenario, from weightlessness to crash landings. The story of Apollo 12 astronaut Alan Bean, for instance, is particularly fascinating. During the second moon landing, Bean accidentally pointed the TV camera towards the sun, burning out the video tube. Despite this setback, Bean and his fellow astronaut Pete Conrad successfully completed their mission objectives, showing the world that even in the face of adversity, the human spirit perseveres. And let's not forget the hundreds of thousands of engineers, scientists, and technicians who worked behind the scenes. They were the unsung heroes of the Apollo missions, tirelessly solving complex problems and making sure every small detail was perfect. Indeed, the Apollo missions were not just about landing on the moon, but also about pushing the boundaries of what humanity could achieve. They were about the indomitable spirit of exploration and the collective effort of a nation that dared to dream big. The legacy of these missions continues to inspire us, reminding us of what we can achieve when we reach for the stars. The Apollo missions were not just about landing on the moon, but also about pushing the boundaries of what humanity could achieve. The moon landing was a seminal event, not just for space exploration but for science as a whole. The Apollo missions brought about a wealth of scientific discoveries. From the composition of lunar soil to understanding our moon's geological history, these findings have shaped our comprehension of the universe. The moon landing also spurred ongoing lunar exploration. Today, we have missions like Artemis aiming to return humans to the moon, continuing the legacy started over half a century ago. But perhaps the most enduring legacy of the moon landing is the inspiration it provides. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity, reminding us of our ability to push beyond boundaries, to reach for the unknown, and to continually strive for a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. The legacy of the moon landing continues to inspire us as we reach for the stars. So, what's the final take on the moon landing? We've journeyed through the controversy, debunked common conspiracy theories, and unveiled the untold stories behind one of humanity's greatest feats. The moon landing wasn't a fabrication, but a testament to human ingenuity and determination. It brought us invaluable scientific advancements and continues to inspire future explorations into the unknown. But beyond the facts and figures, this journey serves as a reminder of the importance of critical thinking. In a world brimming with information, it's essential to scrutinize the sources we rely on, to separate fact from fiction. The legacy of the moon landing extends far beyond the lunar surface. It's a legacy that lives within every curious mind, every aspiring astronaut, and everyone who gazes up at the night sky, wondering what secrets it holds. We encourage you to continue exploring and learning more about space exploration. Share your thoughts on the moon landing and space exploration in the comments below.